Welcome to another day of Smokin' with Joe, where we show you how to smoke food the Bradley way. Today we're going to smoke a lamb loin. I've got a 3.5 pound lamb loin here. We're going to just use a very simple brine. It's a dry brine. It's going to be salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some nice fresh garden thyme. Start by using the salt. You get about a tablespoon of salt and just sprinkle it around. Pepper, same with the garlic powder, and a handful of the dried thyme, sticks and everything. Okay, I mix it all together on the cutting board. Then I just roll the lamb loin around it and dry rub it all over until it's evenly covered. Now, wasn't that easy? Now I'm just going to take it over to the smoker and put it in. All right, so here we are at the Bradley P10. Let me just take care of this. Little tip here, actually, if you use the second shelf, it's not too close to the element, and the other thing is it's not too high up. Lamb is a fatty meat, and it'll drip and drop and splatter, so the lower it is, the better. Okay, well, let's set this up. The P10 setup is simple. 5 alder biscuits for 1 hour and 40 minutes of smoke time. I'm going to set the oven cook time for 5 hours and the temperature to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'll never use the 5-hour cook time. I'm strictly using the internal temperature of the lamb to tell me when the lamb is cooked. I want it to reach 145 degrees, and I'll be checking that with a pocket thermometer. So I've been checking the temperature of this lamb loin over the course of about the last hour with this pocket thermometer. I think it's going to be ready this time. And it's perfect. That's just what I wanted to see, 145. Time to take it out and take it to the kitchen and carve it up. So the lamb looks like it cooked perfectly. I'm just going to check it out. The lamb loin has got bone in. I'm not able to do nice big beautiful slices off here, but oh man, does this ever smell good. Oh, that's my stomach growling. I think I'm just going to stand here and snarf this. You better cut. Good.